Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to be talking about a very interesting subject, which is how to create your own AI employees and how potentially fully automate your business. For that, we're going to take an example as the POD business, which means print on demand. That's a business that I've tried myself, and I'm willing to share the value and how I've automated this business. And also, it's not about POD, it's about all businesses out there. You can use the same blueprint in the same way that I've automated my flow to use it for other flows and for other businesses. So let's not waste your time and let's get to it. Before going further, just let's give a brief presentation of what is POD. So POD stands for print on demand. So what you have to do basically on your side is create a design and plug it to a provider. So that provider actually provides the t-shirts, the mugs that you can put on those designs. So when you get a sale, actually you just have to mention to the provider that you got a sale and they will do everything automatically for you. They will send the t-shirt or the mug, etc. There's a lot of products that I can show you later on, but the one provider that we are using today is called Printify. So let's move to the first step, is choosing the niche for this business. One of the niches that I like about this print on demand is the Japanese niche. There's a lot to do in this sector. You can create wave, etc. But in our case, we will take the cat niche, which is cute, but that's a niche that sells well actually. So you can see here that there are a lot of reviews. That means that this actually at least sells 2 times or 3 times these reviews. So let's actually go to the demo and take this design and give it to our AI agent, which is our AI POD assistant, and tell it to create something similar and do everything for us, from putting it on mockups and publishing it to Etsy. So just giving it actually commands and it will do everything for us. Just let me show you, and let's go now with the demo. For the demo, we'll move on my phone so I can show you. So basically what will happen is we will be talking to our n8n POD assistant that will do everything for us. So it's basically our employee and he manages our POD business. We will send the picture that we have talked about, which is the cat ninja, and we will wait for the POD to answer us with a design that is similar, and then later on we will accept or refuse that design. Great, now we have a response. So this design, for example, I like it. It's pretty similar, it's pretty stylish, I would say, for a cat, for a ninja cat. So what we'll ask it to do is potentially put it on mockups, okay? And all of that I will be doing it by sending a message, like I'm talking to my employee and asking him to do it for me. Now we have a response with the mockups, and to let you know, actually all these mockups were made by AI. So all the mockups that you see, they are not real, they are just people that were created by AI. And as you can see, everything was created by AI. So now I like actually the result. And what I will tell my AI assistant, can you please push it on Etsy so people can see our product? Great, now we have a response from our AI agents that says that everything was published. But I would like to go further with this experiment and actually send him the same design and ask him to give me a design that is similar. So when you send the same design, it will create for you similar design, but not as the one that it sent before, okay? So for example, it sent me this design, but I don't like it. So what I will do, as I'm speaking to my AI agent, I will tell him, okay, I'm not liking this design, can you change it? See, now he changed it, but it kept actually the same kind of design, but actually I don't like it. I don't like it still. So what I can tell him is why I don't like it and how can he improve that design. So for our example, I will tell him to make it more realistic. Great, now we have actually a response with a more realistic cat that is a ninja cat. So I can tell him the same and tell him, okay, great, now I like it, can you do the same, can you put it on mockups? Now we have the same mockups. that have been created, and our design is above those mockups. So let's tell him to publish it, and then we can move to Etsy so I can show you how it has been published to Etsy. Great. Now we are on my Etsy account, which is a test account. As you can see, I have made other designs in the past. So as you can see, this is our 2 designs, and as you can see here, we have all our mockups that have been published in an automatic manner. So you can see also here, you can see also the size chart, that is our size chart that has been uploaded. And here you can see also that we have another design that we have created, but this is the one that I have showed you in the demo. So great, everything actually has been made also by AI, so the title in the description are also made by AI. So for the provider, this is our provider, which is Printify. It has the same designs that we have discussed. So whenever you get actually a sale in your Etsy, you can automatically actually fulfill that order using Printify, and Printify will actually send directly the product to your clients. Just before moving forward to the technical side, I just want to let you know that I have created my AI community that you can join up. You can find the link in the description or in the first comment. There are courses there that I have created, so you can start up with that, and also there are templates that I have shared, so it helps you with your AI journey. Don't hesitate to join, and now let's get with the technical side. To let you know, this is not about POD, this is about businesses in general. You can apply this to any business. So when you start to automate, you should think about the tools that you'll be using and the tools that you'll be giving to your AI agent. So I would actually divide it in multiple parts. So the first part would be, you have to have a kind of a trigger. So the trigger that you'll be using, it depends on your solution, but on my side I prefer to use the triggers where I can talk to my employees. So you can have actually a Telegram trigger or WhatsApp trigger, and this first step is just the step actually to translate whatever is there. So if you're sending a file, image, or a voice, so I mostly use this always in the beginning, and then later on I join everything to an AI agent. So depending on the message that you'll be sending, on which type it will be, it will go either this path or this one or this one or this one. So you get to the AI agent, and that is what is important and interesting. So here you will see that I have what we call tools. Okay, so these tools are just subflows. So I'm giving tools to the AI agent, and I'm telling him, okay, now you have an image design tool, you have a mockups tool. So this is the one that he uses actually to put the design on the mockups, and this is the one that to publish actually to Etsy. So at each time I'm asking him, he will be using either of one of these 3 tools. Great. So here we can go tool by tool. Okay, so this tool actually is the tool with the POD designer. So here what I'm doing is I'm creating that design using Gemini model and converting it and putting it in Cloudinary. So Cloudinary is just a database. So you choose actually where to store your data, either on the drive or the cloud. Okay, great. Now let's move to the other one, which is the mockup. So here in the mockup, what I'm doing is I am actually getting the design image and removing the background, and I'm uploading again the design. So I'm replacing actually the design in Cloudinary, so I can actually take it in another flow. So this is very important, guys. When you're doing this kind of flows or subflows, you have to store your designs in a way that you can get them in another store. So don't let actually the AI agent handle this for you, because going back and forth with data can be kind of troubling. So I prefer to do it this way and just get the data in the subflow and not just exchange it with the AI agent. So now let's move with the last tool, which is the publisher. So in this tool, basically, we publish to Etsy. So here what I'm doing is I am creating my title in my description, and then I am uploading the design, I'm creating the product in Printify, and I'm publishing to Etsy. I hope you liked the video and you found it very insightful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to this channel. I find it very interesting the fact that we automate businesses and create employees using AI. I'll probably do the same kind of videos in the future. And if you have any suggestions, drop them in the comment section. And if you want to join my community, you will find also that in the comment section or in the description. See you in the next one, and have a good day.